Good morning. Happy Monday. New week. Nice weather. What can we ask for? Let me show you what we're doing. So today we are just finishing off up here. Tom's laid a few flags already from here onwards. So we're just going up to Bala before sleeper starts. We're just waiting for hardcore. So we've got like 10 ton of hardcore coming. That's for the AstroTurf. Oops. We're going to put this airco in so it's to top up the path. And then on this side to the left, we are, sausage dogs are barking again. We are having the patio from here across this side all the way down. So we're ripping out and stoning up. We're going to use recycled hardcore again, which is 40mm data crush. And yeah, it should be all taking shape. And then tomorrow, absolutely smash laying Indian once again. But yeah, I think prep today leads on to a good week. Tuesday, Wednesday, patio, I'm hoping to be done. Then we can get a payment for his patio before we start either his paths at front or AstroTurf. But yeah, it's all prep work today. So as long as the hardcore comes, because if you remember, I asked for morning, so that means between 7:30 and 11ish. And then driver gets his plan and go, not doing that. I'll put that at 2 o'clock. That's what happens. It's just what happens. So let's see what time. Keep you informed. See what time they come. So last week we were on a live and I dropped a flag and it smashed and everybody jumped on it and went, oh my God, you've broken it. It's £10, blah, whatever. So this is what I'm going to do. We only open one pack at a time, and then so we haven't got loads of big flags at this side of the garden and then loads of little flags at that side of the garden. So we've come to the end of this pack and we've got some 600 left, some 900s left. So what we're going to do with this broken flag is, which one is it? We are gonna, I don't know if you can see it, we're gonna put a 1B1 there and put a 2B1 there, and that'll top us up. And then this flag here is just too bobbly, and there just got a right ump on it, so I'm doing the same, 2B1, 1B1, just tops us up with us flags rather than opening another pack, like I say. But yeah, nice and easy, good way of doing it. Right, as you've seen, stones here, so we've put this airco in. Got one of these corner ones instead of mitre in it, but I brought my jigsaw to do it, and all I need to do is tap it with hammer. So we're just topping this up, and we've done 3" over there. Proper seat shape of it now. We've done 3" over here, and then we're going to whack it now. Then we're going to pull a string line up from this corner over to that corner. Just like measure it, dip it, top it up as we need to now, get it to the proper level. But God, there's a right pile of stone down there. but I think that area will swallow it up. We'll run a string down there as well and lift the flags up by gate. But yeah, it looks all right now. Like, you can see the shape of it by tomorrow. Obviously this path will be in that here, and then that's your astroturf, that section there, all of that. Oh, we need to tidy up really. Give it a big tidy and sort it all out. Right, this is hardcored up now. Turns out this path here is 870, so all the way down that side's a bloody cut. But it is what it is, isn't it? So you'll have just seen me watering the hardcore a few years ago. I had a lad that come to work with me called Pete. If you're there, Pete, howdy. He watered the hardcore and I was like, what are you doing that for? Anyway, it turns out, because it's so dry at the minute, it's hardly any rain, that the hardcore now will be rock hard in the morning. So it won't be all dusty and all horrible, it'll just be rock hard. And I thought, whatever. Next morning, lo and behold, must be lime in it. So I've just been watering it to compact it a bit more. But over this side, this top corner here, it is 120mm deep. That corner down there, down by the gate, is about 150mm deep. So just because we just dug it out because it was just too soft, and then obviously put our car back in when we were happy with it. So yeah, so all we've got to do now really is just that bit down there, just take that out, but it's keeping it clean, so it's not doing anyone any harm, is it? So yeah, pretty good day, all about prep. See you in the morning. Have a good one.